To install a GCam on OnePlus 13, first we need to open a Google Play Store on our device. In the search, enter GCamator app, just like this, and select this app. Make sure to install it and then click on open. Now in the middle option right here, we want to enter the CPH, then without the space actually, 2413. So we're looking for this specific option right here, and we need to download it. Okay, so the download process is completed. Tap the install button to start installation process. If it doesn't start, tap to open a in folder and install it manually. So if it doesn't begin installing when you select install button automatically, you will need to select open in folder and then click on the file. So let's check if it actually works. It doesn't, which means we need to open it in the folder and move to our files, and then we'll be able to find it somewhere around here. It's this one. So click on it and update your camera. You may need to allow permissions for files to actually install it, and then when we're done, finally our camera GCam is installed.